There is no way under the sun you can deny a people access to the sea. IKWERRE land is the Igbo tongue to the sea. And any attempt to excise it out of Igbo land will be resisted with the sword. Nations have gone to war over territories and over access to the sea. The likes of Dibia should be warned that their thinking is wishful, but if they take any step to realize it, they will be resisted. It's important that people don't even know the import and place of language. And for emphasis, I want to quote Oliver Wendell, who in 1866 stated and made it clear that every language is a temple in which the soul of those who speak it is enshrined. Every language is a temple in which the soul of those who speak it is enshrined. Now, people don't equally know that language is by its very nature a communal. It expresses not the exact. It expresses not the exact, but it is a compromise that is common to you, to me, and to everybody. For example, even Igbo, Anambra and Ebonyi na-akpọ ala ani. Ndị Owerri, ndị Olu, Mbano, Mbaise na-akpọ ya ala. Ifete, Elele, ha na-akpọ ya Ale, E-L-I. Ga-ebịa wee bịa towards the southern part of IKWERRE, ha na-akpọ ya Ele, E-L-I. Onye ọbụla na-ege ihe ga-aghọta sọ ọwa ala ka na-ekwu. Ọ ga-aghọta sọ ọwa ala ka na-ekwu. That for differences nọ na ma ịkpọrọ ya ala, ma ọwa anị, ma ọwụ ele, ma ọwụ ele, ọwụ otu ihe. Ga-ebịa mmadụ asị Igbo gbanwere aha kpọọ ya ụmụ, ma ịkpọrọ ya ụmụ, ma ọwụ ụmụ, ma ọ wụrụ ụmụ, onye na-ege ihe ga-aghọtasị ọwụ ofu ihe ka ị na-ekwu. Why are people trying to undermine themselves by undermining their own collectivity, undermining their own community, their own commonwealth? But for emphasis, it is important, I restate, that aghọtara m ihe dibịa na-eme. He believes that if he insults, if he says something different from what onye ndu ndị Igbo, Chief Emmanuel Anyanwụ kwuru, aga say, oh, ọ pụtara na mmadụ, o kwuola ụka. If he says something different from what you have said or try endeavor in vain to contradict him, people will say, oh, somebody has spoken. But Dibia till he will die. Till he will die, it's not worthy to touch Iwanyanwu's sandals. And it has to be reported clearly. Until the day he will live on earth and die, he cannot touch the feet of Iwanyanwu. He cannot touch Iwanyanwu's sandals. And Iwanyanwu didn't, it was not only IKWERRE Iwanyanwu said were Igbos. He mentioned other groups. If you read my article in the Vanguard of December 5th, 2020, pages 1, 9, 10, 11, I made it abundantly clear that those who are thinking that they can remove IKWERRE from Igbo land, that's a wishful thinking. It can never see the light of the day. No race, no race, no race, no nation will allow themselves to be denied access to the sea in modern history. No man will allow his tongue to be cut off. It's the source of life. Any attempt to think that way will be resisted by Igbo. And I don't care whether the DSS will invite me or anything. Igbos will rise up with sword and defend Igbo land. Igbos will rise up with sword and defend Igbo land. And in course of defending it, there will be blood on the land. People will die. If the Igbos die, they will take. If the enemies of Igbo die, they will take. There is no way under the sun you can deny a people access to the sea. IKWERRE land is the Igbo tongue to the sea. And any attempt to excise it out of Igbo land will be resisted with the sword. Nations have gone to war over territories and over access to the sea. The likes of Dibia should be warned that their thinking is wishful, but if they take any step to realize it, they will be resisted. In the battle, if they kill all Igbos, Igbos will enjoy it. If the Igbos kill them too, they should enjoy it. In war, people must die. Either ways. In war, people must die. There's nothing like peaceful war. There is no way you give birth to a child that blood will not stay in the hands of the nurse or the doctor. That is why some women are not equipped to him. If he thinks, and his co-travelers thinks this way, I've said it before, it is in the vanguard, that Igbo will rise up with the sword to secure access to the sea. It's not, their thinking is wishful. In 2024, it's wishful. They can't see the light of the day. Whoever is sending them should be warned. Whoever is sponsoring them, the forces of internal colonialism, should be warned. The Igbos will resist. They will rise up with the sword. And people will perish. People will be injured. Properties will be destroyed. People will die in their hundreds and in their thousands, if possible in their millions. Thank you.
Thank you, my barrister.